Hi, this is Jake at Optery. In this video, we'll show you how to remove your info from TruePeopleSearch.com step by step. Let's jump in. To opt out from TruePeopleSearch.com, go to their removal page, enter your email address, agree to the terms, perform CAPTCHA, and click the Begin Removal button. Next, search for your record by filling in your name and city-state location. Find yourself in the search results and click View Details to see your record. Confirm your record, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Remove This Record button. An on-screen confirmation will appear if your opt-out request is successful. You will also receive an email with a verification link. Check your inbox for the notification email. Click on the link to confirm your opt-out request. A confirmation will appear on your screen indicating that your request is being processed and your record will be removed from TruePeopleSearch.com within 72 hours. Congratulations on opting out of TruePeopleSearch.com. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.